Hello everyone, I am your English teacher Richa Sharma from California Public School. I hope you all are fit and fine at your place. So, today we are going to start with our new chapter number 2, Components of Language. So, today we are going to start with chapter 2 and we will try to understand language structure and its form. So all of these things we are going to discuss today, and how language is formed or what is the pattern of language. All of these things we are going to understand during this chapter. So, here we go. First of all, we are going to understand language structure. Okay, so what is language structure? Structure means a formation, pattern, or plan. Okay, so language structure, beta, what is language pattern or how language is written? So, all of this thing we are going to understand. First of all, each language is made up of letters, speech sounds, syllables, words, and sentences. Okay. Every language or each language is made up of some specific letters. Letters, you can say, uh, symbols or the letters like B, D, E, all the letters, okay, which particular represent a language. Speech sound, उसके बाद बेटा उन्हीं letters की sound आ जाती है. Okay, like C sound is k, L sound is l, sound is P sound is p. Okay, then syllable. Okay, so in syllable, what is syllable here? So a syllable is a complete word or a part of a word with the help with one vowel sound. Okay, syllable जो है वो एक word होता है या फिर part of word होता है जिसमें एक vowel sound होते हैं. Vowel sound means like a, e, u, o. So all these vowel sound will be the part of a syllable. For example, as you can read here, frog. So which vowel sound is there? O. Next is boat, oat. Okay, clap, cry. And next is racket. Here are, the word is divided into two because here you can hear two vowel sound. So two syllable here, racket, racket. So this is syllable. So I hope I have cleared the word syllable to you. So after syllable, words and sentences are there. So letters, speech, sounds, syllables, words and sentences are different levels of language structure. First of all, we learn to write letters and then their sounds and syllables, and then we learn to make words from those letters, and as well as we follow the sounds also to make those words, and then with the help of the words we make sentences. So these all are different levels of language structure. Okay, the order of levels of language, ठीक है, जो ये हम order follow करते हैं of the level of language structure is called language structure hierarchy, language structure system. So now we are going to know the level. Okay, what is the level? How many levels are there? Levels name and example. First of all, there is first level. First level is of letter. ठीक है, जो first level है वो letter का है. So in this word, see, they have picked up some random letters like C, L, A, P. Okay, second level is a speech sound. Here we come to know about the sound of the letter. Like C sound is K, L sound is L, A sound is A, P sound is P. Here, by mistake, they haven't given the comma between C and L, so put it by yourself. So with the help of the sound, what it becomes? Clap. Okay, first of all we learn to write letters, CLAP, and then we learn their sounds, k, l, a, p, clap. And then third level is word. ठीक है, with the help of that sound we are going to make a word, or we have made a word. With the word is clap. Okay, and the fourth level is when we learn, when we have learned to make the words based on their sounds, and with the help of the syllable we start to make sentences. Okay, so the is also a word, boys again a word, clapped after watching the movie. So it is group of words which help us to make sentences. Okay, so the boys clapped after watching the movie. Okay, so the boys clapped after watching the movie. Now we are going to discuss the fifth level, which is paragraph. When we have learned to write a letter, and then we have learned the sounds also, then we have learned to form a word with the help of the sounds and syllable, and then we started to make sentence. The next level, fifth level, is paragraph. Okay, paragraph is is a collection of many sentences. When there are 3 to 4 sentences are put together, it is called a paragraph. Or it can be longer than that, it can include more than 3 or 4 sentences. Okay, and the sixth level is literature. Literature is as we read stories and poems, etc. Okay, so the all these are the levels of the language that we have discussed today. First level, second level, third level, fourth level, fifth level, and sixth level. Again, they have told us that लेटर्स रिप्रेजेंट स्पीच साउंड. जो लेटर्स हैं वो हमें क्या शो करते हैं, स्पीच साउंड्स को. स्पीच साउंड एंड सिलेबल मेक अ वर्ड. स्पीच साउंड और सिलेबल से क्या बनता है, एक वर्ड. वर्ड मेक सेंटेंसेस, और वर्ड से क्या बनता है, सेंटेंसेस. सेंटेंसेस मेक पैराग्राफ्स. ओके, सेंटेंसेस से आगे क्या बनता है, पैराग्राफ. एंड पैराग्राफ मेक्स लिटरेचर. ओके, पैराग्राफ्स मेक लिटरेचर. So now turn the page number 8, and we are going to discuss the second point, forms of language. Okay, so there are 2 forms of language, oral language and written language. First of all, we will discuss about oral language. What is oral language? Okay, so when a person expresses his views orally, it is called oral language. जब भी कोई एक person अपने views, अपने ideas, अपने thoughts एक्सप्रेस करता है, बताता है, बाय स्पीकिंग orally, it is called oral language. And when a person, what the next one is written language. Okay, what is written language? When a person expresses his views in writing. Okay, when a person speaks about his, when a person expresses his views or thoughts or ideas in writing, so it is called written language. Okay, so these are 2 forms of languages, oral language and written language. And we are going to read the chapter till here today. Tomorrow we will discuss the third point, script. And because there are so many questions which are based on this topic, script. So we will discuss it tomorrow, and we will try to solve the questions and worksheet 2, which is based on that. So please, I will finish my lecture till the definition of written language. Okay, so please try to solve first and second question of worksheet 1 on page number 9. Please try to solve it by yourself, because these are very easy to find out. Okay, the first question is how many forms of languages are there, how many forms of language are there, and second question is define the different forms of language. So please try to solve these 2 questions. Okay, So I hope I have cleared your doubts regarding this chapter, regarding the first point, language structure, कैसे language का structure है, कैसी formation होती है language की, and forms of language. Okay, how many forms of language are there, and what is oral language and what is written language. So this is all for today. Uh, Stay home, stay safe. Thank you.